Okay, before we start from the beginning and before we start going with this, I received a few complaints about this class.
在就开始之前呢，就是有一些同学他有一些建议，
We still need Chinese translation, right?
还是需要中文翻译，对不对？
Okay. So these complaints, they were not against me personally, alhamdulillah.
就他们这边大，就是有些同学的抱怨不是针对我个人，
But actually it is from some students, brothers, sisters, some students. They say that we are fast.
就是有些同学就是觉得好像上的比较快。
Now, the thing in fact is that we are not really fast.
事实上，我们并没有上的很快。
But the problem is that there are some brothers and sisters, they already studied some Arabic.
而是有一些穆斯林他们已经学过阿拉伯语了，
So when I ask a question,
所以当我问一个问题的时候，
normally those who studied some Arabic, they reply right away.
那一些已经学过阿拉伯语的，有些基础的，他们就马上回答。
So others that this is the first time for them to study Arabic, they don't have a chance to think and shape the word and say it.
所以对一些我们还没有基础的人来讲，就还没有足够时间去查一下，要回答。
And for me, I don't know all of those who studied Arabic before a little. I know some of them.
就是说我并不是认识所有学过阿拉伯语的，只有一些人我知道。
So I hope that for those who studied some Arabic, give chance to those who are beginners yet.
就是说，对于那些有阿拉伯语基础的人，希望能够多给那些初学者一些机会。
Of course, suppose like in the university, for example, when we start the first class in the university, the first thing I do is that I give papers to the students to let them write that this is the first time for them to study Arabic.
就是我在大学教的时候，我都会第一堂课都会给他们一张纸，让他们写下说他们是第一次接触到阿拉伯语。
Just to make sure that all the students they have the same level of learning.
就是要让大家就是确定说大家的这个程度都一样。
But here we don't do it because maybe the way of learning was different, or maybe because they want to practice more, and because we don't want to have two classes.
那在这边的话，情况有点不同，也许就是有些人他们觉得说，哎，这个教的方法不一样，或是他们想要再复习。那但是我们不想要，就是没有要再开两班。
Another thing I want to say is that for the new students, for the beginners in Arabic,
对于这些初学者阿拉伯语的，
at the beginning you will feel that it is difficult because we didn't finish all the letters yet.
就是因为我们还没有把所有字母都讲完，所以大家会觉得有点困难。
Today, inshallah, we will finish all the letters.
今天以上他会把所有字母都教完。
Once we finish all the letters, in fact, all of you will be the same level.
只要把字母全部教完，大家的程度就一样了。
I'll tell you why.
我可以跟你讲为什么？
Because those brothers and sisters who studied some Arabic, in fact, they studied some Quran, not Arabic.
那事实上，因为有一些兄弟姐妹们，他们也学过一些阿拉伯语，但是他们学的是古兰经的阿拉伯语。
So, I think none of them know how to say how are you in Arabic.
那我在想说，可能没有人知道要怎么样用阿拉伯语来问候，说你好吗？
They know how to read Quran.
他们知道怎么样去读古兰经，
They know how to recognize the letters and the words.
他们知道去看这个怎么样去辨识这个字母要怎么发音，
But they don't know the meaning.
但是可能不晓得它的意思是什么。
This what will happen if you are good students. This what will happen starting from the end of the class today. If you are good
如果
students,
你是一个好学生，
at the end of the class today,
那今天的课上完之后，
you will be able to read any word,
你就有办法去读任何的字，
but you will not know the meaning.
但是你不知道它的意思。
So inshallah, by the end of the class today, all of you will have the same level.
那希望inshallah就是今天课上完之后，大家的程度就一样了。
Yeah, and also, in fact, maybe I was influenced by this also.
那也许我之前两堂课我也受到一些已经学过的同学的影响。
So this is why one of the very important things I forget to tell you at the first lesson is that we write Arabic from right to left, not from left to right.
所以说我在第一堂课很重要，通常都会讲的，那我却忘记讲了，就是说阿拉伯语它是从右写到左的。
And maybe because I was influenced by the as well by the hijab.
那也许我看到我受到大家戴头巾的影响，
Because suppose that whenever I look at any female who's wearing the hijab, I assume that she knows the basic of Arabic.
因为我通常看到就是女性她有戴头巾的话，我都会假设她就是已经有一些阿拉伯语的基础了。
So remember that we write Arabic from right to left.
所以我们要记得阿拉伯语是从右写到左。
So don't write Baba like this. Okay, this is wrong. Although the word is correct, but if I see you writing it like this, I will not accept that this is Arabic language.
虽然你这样写是对的，但是如果看到你的笔画是这样写的话，那我就不会，就是会把你打错。
Okay? Now we keep going. So we start from the beginning.
那我们从一开始，
Okay. Alif. A. U. I. Ba. Bu. Bi. Ta. Tu. Ti. Ta. Su. Thi. Someone is saying sa. It is ta. Your tongue should be outside. Sa. Tu. Thi. Jim. Ja. Ju. Ji. Ha. Hu. Hi. Try to practice this ha, hu, hi. I know that at the beginning it is difficult, but try to practice it by yourself. It is same as coughing. Ha. Hu. Hi. As I told you when I asked you how are you, so the answer is Alhamdulillah. So it is not Alhamdulillah, it is Alhamdulillah. Ha. Hu. Hi. Kha. Hu. Khi. Dal. Du. Di. Zal. Your tongue is outside. Zu. Zi. No, this dal. The first one is tha.
第一
Remember?
个是 that，
No stress.
就是没有任何的压迫感。
The second is dal.
第二个
The upper teeth are pressing the tongue.
上排牙齿有压，就是会去咬下排，就是那个舌头，上排牙齿咬住舌头。
Okay? So, dal. Zu. Zi. Ra. Ru. Ri. Zai. Za. Zu. Zi. Sin. Sa. Su. Si. Shin. Sha. Shu. Shi. Sad. Sa. Su. Si. So the first one is sa. This is sa. Sad. Sa. Su. Si. Bad. Ba. Bu. Bi. Ba. Bu. Bi. Then ta. Tu. Ti. Va. This is the third letter that your tongue is outside.
第三个舌头要伸出来的音，
With stress from both sides.
就是上下齿都要咬住舌头，
Tongue is pushing up, teeth are pressing down.
舌头要往上排牙齿顶，然后上排牙齿要往下咬。
Va. Vu. Zi. Ain. Au. And ain, as I told you, it is from inside to outside, not from outside to inside.
发音是从里面到外面，不是从外面到里面。
So this letter we started from here, not from here.
从喉咙发出来，
Then you open your mouth.
然后把嘴巴打开，
Don't open your mouth first.
不要先把嘴巴打开，
So it starts from inside, not from outside.
先从喉咙发音，
Then you open it.
然后发音再把嘴巴打开。
now we took rain, rain, ra, ru, ri, ra, ru, ri. Then fa we studied, right?
Yes.
Fa, fu, fi, fa, fu, fi, qaf, qaf, qa, qu, qi, qa, qu, qi. This qaf is also from inside.
它也是生喉咙的声音。
Yes. Did you buy any chicken to practice? Qa, qu, qi, kaf, kaf, ku, ki. Okay, and now lam. Lam we didn't study it, right? Okay. So lam, it has, first of all, lam is normal L.
那它的发音跟 L 的发音一样，
But the Arabic lam is different from the English lam.
但是阿拉伯语的 lam 跟英文的 L 不一样。
Okay, now how we pronounce L in English?
英文的 L 怎么发音
Let us say, for example, light.
？Light。
So let us say that I don't know English,
假
and I
设
want someone to teach me how to pronounce lam, L in English.
如果我不懂英文，人家要教我怎么样发这个 lam 怎么？
Who can teach me how to pronounce L in English? What do I have to do with my tongue
你可以告
and
诉
mouth?
我这个英文的 L 要怎么样发音，嘴巴要怎么样发音，舌头。
Anyone just teach me how to do it. Like I'm telling you, for example, va, you make your tongue flat, you put it outside, touching your upper teeth and so on. Is there anyone who can teach me how to pronounce the English L?
L 和 L。
Maybe Brother Sultan
The
can.
tongue teaching the subpalate.
Okay, so my tongue is flat or round?
Flat.
Flat.
嘴巴是平的，
They say flat, but is it really flat? Light.
是开的吗？嘴巴是平开的吗？
Not really flat, right? It is a little bit round.
有一点没有完全
And
扁
the
的。
tip of the tongue is touching my upper teeth on the back, right?
那就是舌尖是碰到上排牙齿的后面，对不对？
Right? You correct me. I'm talking about English. Light. Let us just think about it. Light, for example, or milk. Right? So it is a little bit round. The tip of my tongue is touching my upper teeth from the back.
所以嘴巴是有一点圆，然后那个舌尖是碰到上排牙齿后面，
This is English, not
就
Arabic.
是英文的 L 的发音，
Am I correct?
这样对不对？
Let us just try it. Milk,
没有。